Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you shortcut to fix indentation in VS Code. First of all, open the VS Code on your laptop or desktop. Then open the file. After you have opened the project folder or file, the shortcut to fix indentation in VS Code is in Windows, press Shift plus Alt plus F, press Shift plus Alt plus F, and in Mac press Shift plus Option plus F. Then it will show this is no formatter for plain text file install. First of all, you need to install the extension. From here at the right side corner there is the option extension. You need to install the formatter extension from here, and this runs format document which automatically fixes indentation based on your setting. If you want it to auto fix every time you save, you can enable. First of all, go to the setting at the below gear icon, then go to the setting option, then search for format on save. Search on at the search setting, search here format and save. As you can see, this is the option, and simply enable this. Tick the checkbox, and this will enable the indentation whenever you save your file. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.